DriveWealth versus Mint Mobile. Which is better today? In this video, we're comparing DriveWealth and Mint Mobile to help you decide which option is the better fit for your needs in 2024. Both offer unique features, but they target different user preferences and have distinct offerings that can impact your decision. DriveWealth, known for its mobile investment platform, is tailored for individuals looking to invest in U.S. stocks and other financial assets through an easy-to-use mobile app. The platform is designed for new and experienced investors alike, offering fractional shares, educational resources, and a seamless interface. It's perfect for users wanting to start investing with minimal barriers and capital, especially international users looking to tap into the U.S. stock market. The app's strength lies in its simplicity and ease of use, but it does come with limitations like fewer investment options and limited customer support, which could be an issue for more seasoned investors. On the other hand, Mint Mobile is a budget-friendly mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, offering affordable plans on T-Mobile's network. Its main appeal is the low-cost pricing model, with plans that offer unlimited talk, text, and data, starting as low as $15 per month. Mint Mobile's focus is on providing users with a flexible, affordable mobile solution without long-term contracts. They offer attractive prepaid plans that cater to a wide range of users, from light data consumers to those who require unlimited data. The main downside to Mint Mobile is the limited availability of devices. And while the network performance is generally solid due to T-Mobile's backbone, users may experience slower speeds during peak times, especially on budget plans. So, who should use DriveWealth? If you're looking to dip your toes into investing with a straightforward app, fractional shares, and low minimums, DriveWealth offers an excellent entry point into the world of investing. However, if you need a solid mobile service that gives you flexibility without breaking the bank, Mint Mobile is the better choice. Mint's flexibility and low pricing, combined with solid coverage, make it the clear winner for those who prioritize mobile services. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your priorities: investment or mobile service, and what you value most. DriveWealth suits those ready to invest in U.S. stocks with a simple app, while Mint Mobile is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable and reliable mobile plan without unnecessary complications.